this video, we are going to talk about recovering a deleted file from your computer. For this, I'm going to use a tool called Recover, which is an open source, which is freely available in the market. So you can download this tool from this website called cccleaner.com/recover. You can see two versions here. One is the free version and the other one is the pro version. For simple recovery, I would recommend to go with the free version for your purpose. Now I'm going to show you how the tool works and how are we going to recover the deleted file. So for the real-time example, I have placed two files on my desktop over here. So I'm going to delete them permanently and I'm going to run the tool for the recovery. I'm selecting the files and I'm going to delete this. Shift delete. Yes, I just deleted these files. So now I'm going to launch the tool called Recover, which I have installed on my desktop. This will ask you for the permission to run. So when you launch the tool for the first time, you will get this wizard box. You have to check this if you don't want to see this message again in future. Click on next. And now you can see the list of options or the types of files which you want to recover. If you want to recover only the pictures or only the music, you can go with that specific option. Or if you want to recover all the files, you can choose the first option. Now I have selected the first option. I'm going to click on next. So if you know the location of the file where it has been deleted from, you can specify the location, or you can choose I'm not sure, but it'll take more time to search the file across your computer. But always please try to remember the location from where you deleted the file and try to choose that specific location for easy and quick recovery. In this example, I know the location where I deleted the file from, which is my desktop. I'm going to choose a specific location. I'm going to click on browse, go to desktop, and I'm going to choose my folder. Click on OK, click on next. Now this is where another tricky part, and if you would have deleted the file permanently, I would request you to choose deep scan, which will thoroughly go through your desktop or your location wherever you specify, and it will retrieve the files. I'm going to enable deep scan, click on start, and if you choose the location, as I said, it's going to take less time. If you choose across computer, it's going to take more time. And you have an option to abort the process in between. You can click on cancel. Even if you click on cancel, it'll show you the deleted files. So now you can see on the first pass, the first file have been recovered. I'm going to choose this and I'm going to click on recover, go to desktop and place where you want to recover. But before that, I just want to show you where the files are not here, right? So it's empty now, meaning the files were deleted. And I'm going to recover this. Click on OK. Yes. That's fine. It'll get a message to upgrade. That's fine. You have to just click on close and close this tool. Now you can go here, see this file. It got recovered. And very important thing is you have to recover in a different location. That's a helpful note. And the other thing is, unless the file gets overwritten, meaning if you don't place a file on top of the same location, you have a good chance of recovering it. But if you overwrite the same folder with something else, then the chances are very less. For that, we have different tools which we are going to talk about in the future videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.